Three is not the same as what.
And so was the big photo. Let's get started with a group photograph, gentlemen. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, can we present them to our esteemed panelists? Let's ask you about. Thank you so very much, sir.
Calling upon VP World, are you here with us? Thank you.
Global Oil has done this event with so much love and affection, and acknowledging the people that are associated with you in your journey and giving them this platform to thank them for their hard work, I think is a great thing on their part, to have an event especially to acknowledge their hard work throughout the year, and for inviting me. It's lovely to be here on such a lovely platform, and Global Oil has really done a wonderful job. Thank you.
Huge talent performance, Amisha, also support such kind of endeavor.
Well, talent should support talent, hard work should support hard work. I think that's the way this whole should be.
I think you would like to tell us about your film, especially
Gadar 2, I think I don't need to say much about Gadar 2. Gadar ने गदर ही मचा दी, पार्ट 1 से भी और पार्ट 2 से दोबारा, क्योंकि आप सब लोग ने हमको तारा सिंह सकीना को दोबारा बहुत सारा प्यार दिया. Thank you.
Had it been a bad experience, I don't think there would have been a second time, right? Amisha, I would quickly like to ask you, how is the success of Gadar going on? Well, Gadar is Gadaring, and Gadar hamesha Gadar hi machati hai. I think that Gadar 1, Tara and Sakina, the love that the audiences gave them, and the place that Tara and Sakina created in the hearts and minds of all the audiences, I think Gadar 2 is testimony of that fact, because Gadar 1 broke all box office records, went on to become the biggest hit in the history of Indian cinema, and then last year, with blessings of God, blessings of Almighty, and of course, the love for Tara and Sakina, your lovely people made Gadar 2 again the love and the complete passion of the audiences, and made it the biggest blockbuster in the history again. So I couldn't have asked for more. Yes, everywhere I go. here, and that's very important, you know, because to give so much of your precious time and energy and to be rewarded for that, to be acknowledged for that. I think very few people, very few companies step up and do that, and Global Oil is one of them. They really do know how to keep everybody happy and appreciated. And it's my second time around here, so I can tell you that they're a wonderful, wonderful organization, and it's wonderful for me to be here.
And it's wonderful having you here, Amisha ji, once again. 27 years here, we're growing, and we're looking forward to you coming over more and more. You're always welcome, and we wish you all the very best. We're looking forward to yet more of your spectacular success.
So can I have one small request?
Of course.
And it's not too much to ask for. I would really like to dance with you on Kamala Pyar Hai. I mean, I just love that step. I just love it. Can I get the music, guys?
Thank you. Important prestigious awards. Well,
5, 10, 15, 20, but 27 years! So in one word, one just feels glorious, absolutely glorious. I think this Global Awards means definitely a huge round of applause for that glorious 27th edition, guys. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for yourselves. And it's an absolute pleasure to be among some of the industry leaders out here. As I was walking in, I saw almost everyone who is making our lives all interesting with all the oils. So therefore, it's always a pleasure to be among some of the best in the industry. And of course, a huge round of applause for Deflas for coming up with such a brilliant event, with such grand success year after year after year. So one has to give it up for them as well, guys. Such a pleasure being here. Thank you so very much. It's so prestigious and wonderful to be amongst all of you this evening. Thank you so very much. It's a beautiful evening. I'm sure you're having a great time. So yeah, over to you. a part of such a huge industry and such huge awards. Honestly, I really didn't know, but it's been amazing pleasure. All of you, thank you so much once again. And absolutely brilliant evening. A huge success. And like I said, 27 years, you guys are rocking it big time, I must say. And I must say also, I was just telling both of them that they're truly global awards because I pretty much saw people from all the nationalities out here. So congratulations once again. Keep it up, keep rocking global awards. Thank you so much once again.
बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर. इतना अच्छा उन्होंने सबने ऑर्गेनाइज किया. ग्लोबॉयल ने इतनी अच्छी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. ग्लोबॉयल अच्छी प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू की है इस जगह की. इतना अच्छा उन्होंने पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
आपसे जाना चाहूँगी डिज़ाइनर ग्रुप में कैसा मतलब इस बारे में बताना चाहें आप कैसा लगा है.
एज आप देख सकते हैं बहुत सुंदर सा गोल्डन आउटफिट है एंड आई फील लाइक अ गोल्डन गर्ल.
तो मॉम की तरफ से क्या आप यहाँ आई हैं. ऑफकोर्स मैम आपको पता होगा तो उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा आपको.
कुछ नहीं, हैव फन, दैट्स व्हाट मॉम ऑलवेज सेड.
आगे अब जो प्लान क्या है कमिंग से
बहुत बहुत एक्साइटिंग है. बहुत एक्साइटिंग है. अब मेरे 2 रिलीजेस हैं, मिथ्या 2 और एक फिल्म भी है इन गलियों में जो आने वाली है. तो आई एम जस्ट गियरिंग अप फॉर दैट एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई कैंट वेट फॉर ऑडियंसेस टू सी मी इन वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट रूप.
मैम का पहला वो भी बहुत दिख रहा है. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी आपको फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है जिसके साथ आप पहले मूवी करना चाहिए या फिर बाद में रोमांटिक ऐसी फिल्में करना चाहें जिसे आप
आई थिंक ऐसे तो बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं जिसके साथ मैं काम करना चाहती हूँ. पर आई थिंक एक जो एक्टर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है वो है आयुष्मान खुराना. एंड आई थिंक कि उनका काम बहुत बहुत बेहतरीन है एंड मैं उनसे बहुत कुछ सीख पाऊँगी अगर मैं उनके साथ काम.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन है. आज बहुत अच्छी लग रही है इस ड्रेस में और इनकी जो आइए आशा भाई आइए.
आप डिज़ाइनर को बुलाइए प्लीज़, इनसे पूछिए कि इस ड्रेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मेरी रेसिपी थी मुझे अगरबत्ती के लिए डिज़ाइन करने का मौका मिला. मैं बहुत साल पहले उनकी मॉम के लिए करता था लेकिन टुडे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड जब मुझे चांस मिला इन टेलीविजन.
थैंक यू.